if you have Microsoft Office installed and then despite how many clicks you make on it, it does not start, then not to worry guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Now let me quickly show you step by step how we can fix it. First of all, let's click here on Windows button. Now go here in settings. Now click on apps. Now click on install apps. Now in install apps, you need to look for Microsoft Office. And here we go. Here we have Microsoft Office. Click on these three dots. Click on modify. And then you may require to click on yes. Now all you need to do is you need to click on quick repair and then hit enter. Now again click on repair. Now you will see Microsoft Office will start fixing the issue. And of course it may take some time. So from Microsoft side, I'm going to say thanks for being patient. And finally here we can see Microsoft says done repairing. Now let's close this. And then go again here in Windows button. Now again try relaunching Word, Excel or PowerPoint. If this works, then congrats, you just fixed the issue. If not, then you can again click on these three dots, click on modify, and this time I'm gonna select online repair. So the difference between online repair is quick repair is that the online repair going to fix all the issue but going to take more time because probably it's going to download the setup from internet. So all you need to do here again is you need to hit repair. And then you're gonna see this kind of screen. Again click on repair and then the process of repair again will begin. So that's how guys we can repair our Microsoft suite and we can fix problem of Office not getting started. So for the time being, I'm gonna wait until this is done, and this time probably it's going to take even more time. So let's wait for a while. And seems like here Microsoft going to install the entire Office again. And it may be possible that you may not see this screen, and in such case you need to click here on this notification area and need to look for Microsoft option. And here it says that Microsoft 365 and Office are installing in background, and then it is also showing us the progress percentage. So let's wait for the whole process to get completed. Even you do not click it, I would suggest you can do your work, and then because Microsoft going to do all these things by himself. So all you need to do is you need to wait. And there you go, it says you are all set. Now let me click on close, and let's now try again opening up Word. So let me again click here, and this time here I can see I am able to open Microsoft Word. So that's how guys we can fix the issue of Word is not starting, Excel is not starting, or even any other Office apps like PowerPoint or Outlook is not starting. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.